Welcome, dear listener, to this brief journey into the heart of mindfulness. My name is Andrea Arciniegas, and this session is designed as a short practical exploration. Whether you are seated or lying down, take a moment to ensure you're comfortable. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Let's begin by taking a deep, slow breath. Inhale softly, feeling your lungs expand in every direction with fresh, calming air. Exhale gently, releasing any tension you might be holding. Let's do this one more time. Inhale, filling every part of your being with a sense of ease. Exhale, letting go of worries just for this moment. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. There's no need to force or change anything. Your only task now is to simply observe your breath as it flows in and out. Notice where you feel your breath most prominently. It might be the coolness in your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest, or the gentle expansion of your abdomen. You may notice that your mind begins to wander, chasing thoughts about the past or future. This is perfectly natural. Acknowledge these thoughts and then, like leaves floating down a stream, let them drift by, bringing your attention back to your breath. In this space, there's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. You are here, right now, in this present moment, simply being. This is the essence of mindfulness: being fully present in the now, observing without judgment, anchored in the gentle tide of your breath. Your breath is a tool always accessible to you that helps you to step out of the mind and focus on the experiences within your body. But to be mindful, you can hold your attention on any experience that is happening right now. Any perception, sensation, or movement of the mind. The key is just to acknowledge them and let them go, without clinging to them, judging them, or any mental elaborations. This is why mindfulness is a state of mind that can be tapped into at any moment, not only within a meditation session. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for this act of kindness, for taking these few minutes to pause and connect with your inner peace. This inner peace is your underlying true nature, always there at your core. When you are ready, bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the sounds around you, the feel of the air on your skin. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Remember, this peaceful state of consciousness is always accessible to you by calming the mind and bringing awareness to the present moment. Know that with each breath, you have the power to return to this state of presence and peace. Thank you for joining me in this moment of mindfulness. May you move through your day with ease and grace.